Guys, this is the Huawei Nova 13 Pro. And in my full video, sinabi ko na this is one of the best selfie camera na pwede mong makita right now, this 2025 or early 2025. So, gusto ko lang pakita sa inyo ang unboxing experience. So, bubuksan lang natin, like this. Yan, this is the phone itself. And this, hawak natin is color green with a 12 gigs of RAM and a 512 gigs of storage. And, well, honestly, 512 is pretty massive already. And ganito itsura na. Look guys, it looks good. But syempre, check muna natin ibang gamit dito sa loob before we show you the phone itself. We have a SIM ejector tool. We also have yung kanyang jelly case, which is soft jelly. No? Then, of course, we have yung kanyang Type-C cable and yung kanyang massive na 100 watts na Huawei supercharged charging brick. Charging your phone 50% in 9 minutes, guys. It's insane, mind blown. No? Yan. So, this is the phone itself. Sana natin, no? So, I'll be pushing it out. Hindi kasi ako mahilig na yung tinitear yung sides niya. Mas gusto ko yung pinupush out. Yan. Yun. Nice. Ganda na kanyang design dito sa likod, do. Diba? Kakaiba. It looks very, how do you call that? Elegant and medyo socialin, no? Yung kanyang design. Yan. This is a premium design na meron just for this phone only, no? And of course, kanyang camera bump dito. Medyo shiny nga lang yung niya, sides, no? Plastic sides niya. Meron siya speaker sa taas and meron siya speaker dito sa ilalim. And it has quad curved screen, no, by default. And it looks really nice. And probably one thing that you would love dito sa kanya is some of the tricks, no, that you can do dito on this phone. Let's say, yung isang photo, let's say, nakapikit ka, no? Like this one. Pindutin mo lang edit, no? Pindutin mo lang AI retouch, pindutin mo lang yung best reaction, best expression, no? Kita mo nakapikit ako dyan, no? And syempre, group photo. Diba? Pag kinlik mo yung mukha mo, there's several suggestions na meron. Yeah. Yun, no? Kita mo guys, dumilat na ako. Finally. Yun, no? Hayop. One neat trick na gusto ko dito sa kailang. The AI best expression sa Huawei Nova 13. And one thing din, is yung selfie camera niya up to 5 times zoom, which is really crazy. Now, this is kind of wide. 0.8 normal, 2 times, and 5 times. Guys, abnormal. So, diba? Probably one of the first lang na meron ganung zooming capability on a smartphone. 5 times selfie. Ano tinitingnan mo? Mata mo? Halos, ito na lang nakikita mo pag nag-picture ka ng mga 5 times zoom. Try natin ngayon, no? So, i-zoom ko ng 5 times. Ayan, sarili ko. Take a selfie photo. Ganito na makita mo. 5 times zoom. No? It's really crazy, no? And kita mo lahat ng details. Yung pawis ko, kita pala. Yan, kitang-kita yung pawis. No? Just look at the details. It's crazy. No? Itong phone ni Huawei. No? So, if you're interested dito sa phone nito and you haven't pre-order yet, probably I'll be posting it on the Yellow Basket kung meron nga ba talaga. So, check nyo yung full review natin.